Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the no music result found in Instagram story problem. Are you trying to upload a story about a fun night out but can't seem to find the exact music that you're looking for? And every time you search for it in the music section, you're running into the no result found issue. Well, that's not a problem anymore because in this video, I'll guide you through the potential solutions to fix no result found problem while adding music to your Instagram story. Let's jump right in. First, look for the Instagram app on your smartphone. Click on your account. Click on the three dots and press Settings and Privacy. Now, this might seem overwhelming and seem like a lot of options at once, but just scroll up until you find your account type and tools. Once you find it, click on it and check if your account is professional or personal. If it's personal, click on it because this lets you choose from a far wider range of songs than professional or business or even a creator account. Now, after ensuring your app is updated and granting necessary permissions, go back to creating your story. Retry adding music using the music sticker and hopefully the no result found issue will be resolved. There you have it. If these tabs helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.